What if I told you that it is possible to make your own delicious pound cake right at home? You probably already have the ingredients right in your pantry. This delicious pound cake recipe is sure to impress, and it's full of flavor and is very moist and is definitely going to delight your taste buds. Let's get started. So we're going to go over some of the key items and ingredients that you're going to need for this delicious pound cake. You need your bundt cake pan, plenty of eggs, and yes, lots of butter. We're going to get our all-purpose flour. Make sure we level it out. You want to make sure you don't use too much flour. You don't want a dry pound cake. You don't want too much, but you don't want too less. We're going to go ahead and put our salt in with the flour. And we're going to add just a little bit of the baking powder to this. We're going to give it a nice whisk around. And just set that aside. Also, you want to make sure that you have your bundt cake pan already floured and greased. You can just use a little Crisco and put the flour in and preheat your oven at 325 degrees. Next, we're going to take our butter and put it on in our mixer. Make sure that this is softened butter, room temperature. That way it'll be easy to cream. Next, we're going to take our granulated sugar and we're putting that in with the butter. We're about to cream these together here in a second. If you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and push that like button. We would really appreciate it and it helps get us out there. And we're just gonna go ahead and cream this together until it's light and fluffy. Now once we got it creamed together, we're gonna go ahead and take our 5 eggs and we're gonna go ahead and put that in there and mix that in. And now we're just gonna add the egg yolk. Actually. And this, just adding the egg yolks, a couple extra egg yolks helps add moisture and richness to your pound cake. Oops. Broke my egg yolk, but that's okay. Oh, we'll just get another egg. So we're just gonna run this egg under hot water to help make it room temperature, just for about a good 30 seconds to a minute, because I did not get the egg yolk off that second egg. Okay, now, there we go. Yay, we got it. And toss that right in there. And we're just gonna mix that in. And we're just gonna add a nice tablespoon of vanilla extract. Help give it that nice vanilla flavor. Now we're gonna add our flour, and we're just going to mix this just until combined. You want to be careful not to overmix this. And now for our last ingredient, we're going to add sour cream to it. This also helps give it the moisture that it needs. And we're just going to mix this just till it's combined and mixed in there. Careful not to overmix it. And I'm just going to use a spatula, just kind of fold the rest of that sour cream in there. There we go. Now it's all ready for your bundt cake pan and the oven. And we're just going to pour into our bundt cake pan. Okay, so make sure that you evenly get it distributed throughout your pan. And we're going to bake this on 325 degrees. You want to be careful not to overcook your cake because it will dry it out. And so we're going to bake ours for 325 degrees, anywhere from 50 minutes to an hour and 10 minutes or so, or until your toothpick comes out clean once you insert it. Everybody's oven is different, so you just have to monitor it. Okay, so now we're going to make a quick glaze for our pound cake. We're going to take our powdered sugar and we're just going to actually sift this through here, so that way we can make sure we get all the nice clumps out, nice and fine and smooth. It makes all the difference. Okay, so after you have sifted your powdered sugar, we're going to go ahead and take our milk, put that in there, as well as some vanilla extract for a nice little vanilla icing glaze. And we're just gonna whisk this until it's nice and smooth. And this is what it'll look like when it's finished. A nice vanilla glaze. Okay, and we let this cook for about an hour and 20 minutes. I'm just gonna let this cool like maybe about 5 minutes before I probably flip it onto our rack. Okay, and you can run a knife along the edge if you prefer, just to make sure it's not stuck on there. We're gonna go ahead and flip this. We're just gonna put the cooling rack and take the molding off. And look at that. And we're just gonna let this cool for a little bit more before we go ahead and ice it. Okay, so now that it's cooled, we're gonna go ahead and ice it with the nice glaze that we made earlier. You can put as little or as much as you would like. We're just gonna let it run on down. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and cut into it. And you see how the glaze icing, it hardens up pretty much. As soon as you pour it on there, it should be starting to harden up. Okay, and there it is. Nice piece of moist pound cake. And we just want to share scripture with you, and we're in Proverbs chapter 15, verse 1. A gentle answer turns away anger, but a harsh word stirs up wrath. And we just all need to remember to watch the words that we speak, to be careful with the things that we say, and to speak the truth out of love. Have a blessed day. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and press that like button. And also, we appreciate it if you hit that hype button. It helps get our videos out there. Make sure you comment down below. Are you gonna try this pound cake recipe? Also, make sure you check out our pineapple upside down cake right here, or lava cake right over here, or any one of our latest video uploads.